Hello, my name is Robert Schleifer and I'm a massage therapist doing business as Buenaventura Massage. I just opened up an office in downtown Ventura. The address is 105 South Oak Street and the entrance is actually on Santa Clara Street adjacent to Yoga Jones Yoga Studio. I offer several modalities of treatment, quote-unquote simple, feel-good, head-to-toe massage, as well as I use a technique called counter strain, which is good for neuromuscular aches and pains, and it's a very gentle technique and very effective at relieving neuromuscular pains and strains due to overuse or injury. I also do aromatherapy using essential oils. Essential oils are distilled from medicinal and edible plants, and they're excellent for treating all kinds of conditions and are easily incorporated into massage. I can be reached at, besides office appointments, I do outcalls, and that includes table massage or chair massage. Chair massages are often done at businesses for employees and staff, as well as I do chair massage at catered events. I can be reached at 805-765-4353, and my email address is buenaventuramassage@roadrunner.com. Look forward to seeing you.